Kobe Bean Bryant was an American professional basketball player. A shooting guard, he spent his entire 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers and the National Basketball Association, NBA. Regarded as one of the greatest players of all time, Bryant helped the Lakers win 5 NBA championships, and was an 18-time All-Star, a 15-time member of the All-NBA team, a 12-time member of the All-Defensive team, the 2008 NBA Most Valuable Player, MVP, and a 2-time NBA Finals MVP. Bryant also led the NBA in scoring twice, and ranks 4th on the league's all-time regular season scoring and all-time postseason scoring lists. Born in Philadelphia and partly raised in Italy, Bryant was recognized as the top high school basketball player in the U.S. while at Lower Merion High School in Pennsylvania. The son of former NBA player Joe Bryant, he declared for the 1996 NBA draft after graduation, and was selected by the Charlotte Hornets with the 13th overall pick. The Hornets then traded him to the Lakers. As a rookie, Bryant earned a reputation as a high flyer and a fan favorite by winning the 1997 Slam Dunk Contest, and he was named an All-Star by his second season. Despite a feud with teammate Shaquille O'Neal, the pair led the Lakers to 3 consecutive NBA championships from 2000 to 2002. In 2003, Bryant was charged with sexual assault following an accusation by a young female hotel clerk. The criminal charges were dropped after the accuser refused to testify, and a lawsuit was settled out of court. Bryant issued a public apology and admitted to a sexual encounter but denied the assault allegation and said it was consensual. After the Lakers lost the 2004 NBA Finals, O'Neal was traded and Bryant became the cornerstone of the Lakers. He led the NBA in scoring during the 2005-06 and 2006-07 seasons. In 2006, he scored a career-high 81 points, the second most points scored in a single game in league history, behind Wilt Chamberlain's 100-point game in 1962. Bryant led the team to 2 consecutive championships in 2009 and 2010, and was named NBA Finals MVP on both occasions. He continued to be among the top players in the league through 2013, when he suffered a torn Achilles tendon at age 34. He subsequently suffered season-ending injuries to his knee and shoulder, respectively, in the following 2 seasons. Citing physical decline, Bryant retired after the 2015-16 season. Bryant is the all-time leading scorer in Lakers franchise history. He was also the first guard in NBA history to play at least 20 seasons. His 18 All-Star designations are the second most all-time, while it is the record for most consecutive appearances as a starter. Bryant's 4 All-Star Game MVP awards are tied with Bob Pettit for the most in NBA history. He gave himself the nickname Black Mamba in the mid-2000s, and the epithet became widely adopted by the general public. At the 2008 and 2012 Summer Olympics, he won 2 gold medals as a member of the U.S. national team. In 2018, he won the Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film for his 2017 film Dear Basketball, at 9:06 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January 26, 2020. A Sikorsky S-76 helicopter departed from John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California, with 9 people aboard: Bryant, his 13-year-old daughter Jaya, 6 family friends, and the pilot. The helicopter was registered to the Fillmore-based Highland Express Holding Corporation, according to the California Secretary of State Business Database. The group was traveling to Camarillo Airport in Ventura County for a basketball game at Mamba Sports Academy in Thousand Oaks. Due to light rain and fog that morning, the Los Angeles Police Department helicopters and most other air traffic were grounded. The flight tracker showed that the helicopters circled above the LA Zoo due to heavy air traffic in the area. At 9:30 a.m., the pilot contacted the Burbank Airport's control tower, notifying the tower of the situation, and was told he was flying too low to be tracked by radar. At that time, the helicopter experienced extreme fog and turned south towards the mountains. At 9:40 a.m., The helicopter climbed rapidly from 1,200 to 2,000 feet, flying at 161 knots, 185 miles per hour. At 9:45 a.m., the helicopter crashed into the side of a mountain in Calabasas, about 30 miles northwest of downtown Los Angeles, and began burning. Bryant, his daughter, and the other 7 occupants were killed. Initial reports indicated that the helicopter crashed in the hills above Calabasas in heavy fog. Witnesses reported hearing a helicopter struggling before crashing. The cause of the crash is still unknown, as the helicopter was not equipped with a black box. The Federal Aviation Administration, National Transportation Safety Board, and the FBI have launched investigations into the crash. On January 28, Bryant's identity was officially confirmed using fingerprints. The following day, the Los Angeles County Department of Medical Examiner coroner stated that the official cause of death for him and the 8 others on the helicopter was blunt force trauma. Over the year after the crash on February 9, 2021, the NTSB revealed that poor visibility probably led pilot Eric Zobayan to become so disoriented in thick fog north of Los Angeles that he could not perceive up from down. The 5 board members also said Zobayan, who also died in the crash, ignored his training and violated federal regulations during the 40-minute flight. On February 7, Bryant and his daughter were buried in a private funeral in Pacific View Memorial Park in the Corona del Mar neighborhood of Newport Beach, California. 509, a public memorial service was held on February 24, 2024, marking both Kobe's and Jaya's jersey numbers, at Staples Center with Jimmy Campbell hosting. Speakers at the service included Vanessa, Jordan, O'Neal, Diana Taurasi, and Gino Auriemma. The NBA had postponed the Lakers game against the Clippers just 2 days after the accident on January 28, the first time an NBA game had been postponed for any reason since the 2013 Boston Marathon bombing led to the postponement of a Celtics game. On January 30, the first game after the crash was played at Staples Center between the Clippers and the Kings. The Clippers honored Bryant before the game, with Southern California native Paul George narrating a video tribute to Bryant. The next day, the Lakers played their first game after the crash against the Trail Blazers. Ahead of the match, the Lakers paid tribute to Bryant and all who lost their lives in the crash with a ceremony held just before tip-off, with Usher singing Amazing Grace and Boyz II Men singing the national anthem, while Wiz Khalifa and Charlie Puth reunited to perform See You Again, originally their tribute to Paul Walker after his death while filming Furious 7. At halftime, James also delivered a speech to the crowd before the game, and every player in the Lakers' starting lineup was announced with Bryant's name. The game was the second most watched in ESPN history, averaging 4.41 million viewers. Also, beginning with the Spurs and the Raptors in their game in San Antonio on the day of the crash, teams paid tribute to Bryant at the start of their games with intentional on-court violations referring to his uniform numbers on their first possession, either a 24-second shot clock or an 8-second backcourt violation. On February 15, NBA Commissioner Adam Silver announced that the All-Star Game MVP award would be renamed to the NBA All-Star Game Kobe Bryant Most Valuable Player in Bryant's honor. In May 2020, the Mamba Sports Academy was renamed to Sports Academy out of respect for Bryant. The 62nd Annual Grammy Awards went ahead as scheduled at the Staples Center on the day of the crash, but included tributes by multiple artists and groups, including host Alicia Keys opening the show with a tribute speech and joining Boyz II Men to sing It's So Hard to Say Goodbye to Yesterday. Bryant also appeared at the start of the In Memoriam segment of the 92nd Academy Awards, having won an Oscar in 2018, and Spike Lee wore a suit in tribute to him at the ceremony. He was not included in the montages at the 2020 VMAs and Emmys, held later in the year. Fans were upset at the omission, especially as actors Naya Rivera and Chadwick Boseman had been featured prominently in both, after Rivera and Boseman's unexpected deaths in July and August 2020 respectively. The 3 young black celebrities were popularly compared. The 2020 Pro Bowl was also played at Camping World Stadium in Orlando on the day of the crash, and before kickoff, NFC players who learned of Bryant's death conducted a prayer led by Seattle Seahawks quarterback Russell Wilson, while various on-field and PA tributes were made during the game. After the Lakers beat the Miami Heat in Game 6 of the 2020 NBA Finals to clinch the franchise's 17th NBA championship, rapper, Lakers fan and Long Beach native Snoop Dogg paid homage to Bryant and the Lakers with a full forearm tattoo.